So this is the unboxing of the DHK Zombie 8E. I ordered it from GeoBest and it arrived today after 7 days. So the features is, it says it has a 100 amp. If you see here, it's a 100 amp brushless motor or ESC system, a 20-30 kV brushless motor, and with the radio in it. Alright, what else is in there? In the box it says it comes with the 11 volts, sorry for that. It comes with the 11 volt 2600 LiPo battery with pack and a charger. And what else? It's these are the dimensions, and this is how it looks like. It says it can run up to 70 kilometers per hour or 40 miles per hour, and good for bushing. And here other data or other details will be aluminum shock tower and aluminum shocks. The motor, 3-way differentials with a drive system that keeps everything run smooth, and you have a high torque servo in there installed. So this is how it looks, and let's open the box. Let's take it from here. Let's see how it looks like. So we've got here some box. Alright. Got here the charger. I think so. Yep, we have the balance charger here. Inside this box is probably the remote control. Let's open it up. Ooh, nice! It looks nice. It's I think it's one of the biggest remote control I have. I have one RC and another RC from HPI. It's bigger than that. So you'll have the throttle. It works with four AA batteries. And yeah, and here you will see some basic controls. You'll have the on and off switch. You'll have the reverse throttle and steering. You'll have a steering trim. You'll have a steering trim. You'll have the throttle trim. You have dual rate for throttle, and you'll have dual rate for steering. Basically, you can make it like this for people who are, beginners, and up to here for people who are experts in doing the racing. And it has a rubbery feeling on it. You see, it looks like even a tire of a car. It feels nice, not too bad. Okay, let's see what's inside the car now. Alright, the battery is here. Let's open it up. Battery charger. Okay, you'll have a standard balance charger, LiPo charger. Have it like this. You'll have a standard port there. You'll have here, Saddle's power, and this goes where the 2S is, and this goes for the 3S. Okay, good. So manual. Here you have the standard US plug. Right. Now we get some of these things. It's big wing. Imagine it's this big. You will see very nice plasticky thing, but it's really flexible. Okay, let's deal with that later. You'll have an antenna, and you'll get this standard hex, aluminum hex. Have some good manuals for for the ESC. Okay, now the manual for the big boy, standard manual with the operating instructions, some standard settings, the parts, You'll have some of the exploded views. Ooh, this is very good. And all of these things. Parts, pictures of the parts, should you need them. Right, and the order numbers, and pretty much just setup of the car. This is pretty basic, some certifications there. Right, and that, ooh, this is a beefy kind of tool. It's big, it's for the hexes. We'll use it for this thing. It's kind of a big tool, it's beefy, it looks beefy. Right. Okay, good. Now let's go for the main event. It is the car itself. Ooh. Right. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, such big cars. The wheels are huge. Okay, this is the 1/8 scale of the car. It's definitely huge. It's big. Has a good rubbery feel in it. It's good, it's nice to the hand. Oh, they even provide something for the charger. How good is that? So they provided for the UAE this, because this one is US, this is for the UAE. How nice of you, Gearbest. That's very good. It's a very good addition. Okay. Right, another tire. So that's tire number 1. I have a lot of comments that they don't have the proper tires. It looks like it's going to be like that. So tire number 1, tire number 2. All of the tires here are correct. Tire number 4 and tire number 3 and tire number 4. Okay, that's amazing set of wheels. It feels really soft. Nice. Huge car. Look at that. All the glory of this car. So what you will basically get is this. These are aluminum, really. These are metal, and look like it runs with. Ooh, it's not on dog modes. They are all CVDs. These are some beefy things in there. All right, good. Okay, now let's open it. Let's remove. These are big. These are really big RC cars, big RC pins. Let's open the body. The body looks very nice. Great, it's good. The color, I like the color. The body is good. Remove the plastic. It's very good. It's a big body. So this is a 1/8 scale body. It looks soft. It's pliable. It's going to stand a beating. Not too bad. The car is good. Now I will get the 1/10 scale style body. This is my 1/10 scale bullet empty flux. They don't have a difference in size. This is my 1/10 scale bullet empty flux. Right? Don't have much of a difference when it comes to size. Let's look at that. look similar. 1/10 scale versus the 1/8 scale. It doesn't make that much of a difference. Okay. Otherwise, the car in itself is huge. I'm not sure if it will even fit here. Okay, it might look nice. Up here. Doesn't absorb the tires. This is my 1/10 scale bullet flux, and now this is the 1/8 scale tire. It's huge, really. It's very big. It's huge. It's good. It's big. Let's go back to the car in itself. Okay. Now here is the pre-mounted battery. Okay, comes with the 2600. Yeah, it comes with a 2600 lithium polymer battery. If you see there, it's very nice. Okay, comes with these straps, and these straps can easily remove. I think they're very nicely strapped in there. Bad, isn't it? Right. Not too bad there. Okay. So you have here a 2600 milliampere battery. Okay, I'm going to charge them now. So I'll have them ready later.